Uziza soup is one of the easiest, yet most delicious and healthy soups you can enjoy with any swallow of your choice. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this simple, flavorful Uziza soup. Let's get right into the ingredients. We'll be using goat meat, though you can use any protein you prefer. I've also washed some stockfish, deboned and cleaned smoked fish, fresh habanero peppers, and of course plenty of crayfish. Trust me, adding enough crayfish is a real game changer. Next, we have seasoning cubes, already cooked cow tripe, and ground Ofor, which will serve as our thickener. Before we start cooking, let's prepare the Ofor. Please don't add it directly to your soup. I like to dissolve it with a little palm oil. If you add Ofor thickener direct into your soup, it will form lumps and you will not be able to remove all the lumps. And the cooking heat cannot also dissolve all the lumps. Mix the Ofor and red oil together until it's smooth and properly combined, and set it aside. Now for our vegetables, we'll be using fresh Uziza leaves. Carefully remove the leaves from the stems. I will also be using ugu leaves to boost the quantity and nutrition. Now let's start cooking. In a clean pot, add your goat meat and cow tripe. Go in with your seasoning cubes. Stir well, cover, and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, open the pot. Add enough water to cook your proteins. Add some salt. Stir very well to combine. Cover and allow to cook until the meat becomes tender. While that's cooking, let's slice our vegetables. Place your washed ugu on a chopping board. Slice and set aside. Hello, if you have watched till this point, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Do the same for the Uziza. Slice and set aside. At this point, the goat meat should be tender. Add in your smoked fish and stockfish immediately. Stir. Add a little more water. Cover the pot and let them cook for a few minutes. Next, open the pot and pour in cold water. This cold water is the main cooking water. Immediately add your palm oil. Here is a little trick. Adding the palm oil when the water is still cold helps it blend into the soup evenly. If you add it to a boiling pot, the oil will float on top instead. Give everything a good stir and cover the pot to boil. Once the red oil has combined properly and the soup is boiling, add your Ofor thickener. Stir well and let it cook for a few minutes. Now, add your habanero pepper and crayfish. Stir again and cover the pot. At this stage, our soup is about 85% ready. Once the soup is boiling nicely, add your Uziza leaves and ugu leaves. Stir gently to incorporate them into the soup. Taste and adjust your salt if needed. You can also adjust the thickness to your preference, but this consistency is just perfect. Cover the pot for a few minutes. Please do not overcook your vegetables. And just like that, our delicious Uziza soup is ready. Simple, healthy, and absolutely flavorful. What swallow will you be enjoying with this soup? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share this video. Also remember to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.